Hi everyone, welcome to VLSI Explore with Raman. Today let's discuss one interesting question, which is write a Testcase timeout code in SystemVerilog. Why actually Testcase timeout needed in any test case? Let's consider you have one BFM. It driving data to the DUT, but DUT need to send completion to the BFM. Here, due to some disturbances in the DUT is not sending any completion. Due to that, test case is stuck. It's waiting for the completion. How you can make the test case to terminate here? By using the test case timeout, you have to write a logic inside the test case, then test case will terminate here. How you can write? Let's write a logic here, you can understand easily. Module test, let's declare the timeout value, test case timeout value, timeout, let's make it 10. Now you have to execute the test case. Let's declare one task for executing the test case. Now declare one interim variable for checking the time value. Display one message for starting the test case. Starting test case. Now for execution of the test case, you need some time limit. Let's set a time limit here. $u random range. What is the execution of the test case time here? Let's make from 10, comma 1. This is the timeout. This is the execution timeout. Now here you have to check one condition. What is the condition you have to check? Our execution the test case, the time which is less than the timeout value. If time less than the timeout value, timeout. Here you can see you have to be wait to complete the test case here. I am declaring the time here. Yeah. Now display one message, completion of the test case. $time. Completed. Here you can see this is task for executing the test. Here I have declared the int variable time. Now it is the range is 10,000 to 15,000. Yeah. Now at this time it need to complete. From 10,000 to 15,000, this execution of the test need to complete. Let's end this task. Let's monitor the timeout here. Let's write another task for monitoring the timeout. Task monitor time. What is the timeout value here? That is 1 lakh. Time out. Now display one message which is test case timeout happened. $time. See here, I am declaring a two tasks. One is execution of the test and also for monitoring the timeout value here. Now what you have to do? Now you have to be run these two parallelly. How you can execute these two parallelly? By using the fork join. Fork. I am using a fork join in it. Let's start these two executing the test. Monitor the time. These two will run parallel. Any one of this one will complete, then you have to disable the process, which is any executing the test you have to be terminate whenever the timeout will exit, or in case the execution of test is completed within the timeout, then you have to be terminate the waiting for the timeout here. Disable fork. Display one says now run model. Here you can see have declared two tasks for executing the test. One is another for monitoring the task. I am running these two parallelly. Here I have declared the timeout which is 1 lakh. The executing the test, what is the range? It is 10,000 to 15,000. The range it need to be get the any information from the DUT and it will complete. When it will complete means any one of this one executing the test will complete or monitoring the timeout will complete. Then it will complete the simulation. How you can terminate the simulation here? Here see I am using $factor. After the timeout happen, you have to terminate the simulation by using the $factor. Let's run this code. Here you can see 0 simulation time test case is started. When it ending 11,734 test case is completed. After the simulation is completed. Now let's change the value which is the timeout value. It is less than the this execution of the timeout. Let's make it range. Let's check the output. Here you can see test case is started, but test case is not completed. Why? Here because these two tasks are running parallelly. Any one of these completed, then test case will finish here. Here I am declaring the timeout, which is less than the timeout value of the execution of the test. Due to that, timeout happen. You have to make sure the timeout value of the test case, which is less than the execution timeout of the test. Yeah, this is the code. I am running these two tasks parallelly by using the fork join. Any one of the thread will complete, it come out of the fork and I am disabling the fork because no need to monitor after that. If this execution of the test is completed means after that no need to monitor the time here because already our task is completed. No need to be checked why that timeout happen or not here. If you like the content, please share and subscribe.